Hello friends, you are the most welcome to Bidway's English Learning channel. Dear friends, today I am going to focus on the new grammatical atom entitled by the adverb and its various types of adverbs. Let's go to learn the adverb. We will see its definition and different types of adverbs. First, let me define what is the adverb. The adverb ला मराठीमध्ये क्रियाविशेषण असं संबोधलं जातं. See its definition. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective and another adverb or the whole sentence. ज्या शब्दामुळे नाम व सर्वनाम सोडून एखाद्या क्रियेविषयी, विशेषणाविषयी तर कधी दुसऱ्या क्रियाविशेषणाविषयी अधिक माहिती कळते त्यास क्रियाविशेषण असे म्हणतात. See some examples of the simple adverb. First, he ran fast. Second example, I drank very hot coffee. Third example, they were quite hard. See the first example, he ran fast. In this example, there is an adverb that is fast. Fast, this adverb shows how did he run. या वाक्यामध्ये he ran fast म्हणजेच तो जोरात पळाला. तो कसा पळाला? क्रियाविशेषण जोरात या शब्दावरून आपल्याला त्याच्या पळण्याच्या कृतीबद्दल अधिक माहिती कळते. याचप्रमाणे I drank very hot coffee. In this example, very, this adverb modifies to an adjective hot. In third example, you can see they work quite hard. Friends, in this example, there are two adverbs. First, hard, and another adverb is quiet. Quiet, this adverb modifies an another adverb hard. Let's see another part of the adverb. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs may be classified into 11 groups. First, adverbs of time. Second, adverbs of place. Third, adverbs of manner. Fourth, adverbs of frequency or number. Fifth, adverbs of degree or quantity. Number 6, adverbs of reason. Seventh, adverbs of affirmation. 8, adverbs of negation. Number 9, adverb of conjunction. 10, adverb of interrogative. And last, adverb of relative. Okay friends, let's go to learn one by one. The first type of the adverb, it is the adverb of time. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, formerly, lately, before, since, already, ago, and soon. These are few adverbs which show the time. See the examples of the adverb of time. These type of adverbs tell us the time of action in the sentence and answer the question when. See some examples. I have seen him before. In this example, before, it is an adverb which modifies to the verb seen. It shows the time of action. I have seen him before means मी त्याला अगोदर पाहिलेलं आहे. मी त्याला कधी पाहिलं? अगोदर या क्रियाविशेषणावरून आपणास वेळ समजते. So here before this adverb indicates the time of action in the sentence. Now see rest of the examples. We shall now begin. Mr. John formerly lived in England. He promised to complete the work today. The teacher arrived a few minutes ago. I received a letter from her lately. The guests will come after 12 o'clock. All these examples you may see now, formerly, today, ago, lately, after. All these adverbs indicate the time of action in various sentences. Let's go to see the second type of adverb. It is the adverb of place. Now see the adverbs which show the place in the sentence, such as down, nearby, away, here, there, in, out, above, behind, below, and far. These are few adverbs which show the place in the sentence. Let's see some additional information about adverbs of place. These type of adverbs tell us the place of action and answer the question where. See some example. The principal lives here. Friends, in this example, here this adverb modifies the verb lives. It shows the place of action. या वाक्यामध्ये here या क्रियाविशेषणावरून जागेचा उल्लेख होतो. त्याचप्रमाणे he came down, stop here till I come back, come in, they bought a house nearby. यामध्ये सुद्धा down, here, in and nearby, all these adverbs show the place of action in the sentence. See another type of adverb, that is the adverb of manner. See some adverbs which show the manner in the sentence, such as happily, angrily, surely, kindly, slowly, badly, hard, loudly, clearly, quietly, well, fast, and bravely. These are few adverbs which show the manner. Now let's see its information about the adverbs of manner. These type of adverbs tell us in what manner the action takes place and answer the question how or in what manner. He bowled a ball slowly. The batsman hit the ball hard. The child cried loudly. I heard the sound clearly. They fought bravely. See first example. He bowled a ball slowly. In this example, the adverb slowly modifies the verb bowled, and it shows in what manner the action takes place in the sentence. It indicates how did he bowl a ball. या उदाहरणामध्ये स्लोली हे क्रियाविशेषण वाक्यातील कृती कशी घडली हे सांगते. त्यानं बॉलिंग केली पण कशी स्लोली या शब्दावरून आपल्याला ॲडिशनल माहिती कळते. त्याचबरोबर द बॅट्समन हिट द बॉल अँड रेस्ट ऑफ द अदर सेंटेन्स यू कॅन सी हाऊ डिफरंट ॲडवर्ब्स शो in what manner the action takes place. Let's go to see another type of the adverb, that is the adverbs of frequency or number. The adverbs often, seldom, once, twice, rarely, sometimes, daily, always. These are some adverbs which show the frequency or number in the sentence. See in details. These type of adverbs tell us how frequently an action takes place and answer the question how often. I have often seen her near the church. Barking dogs seldom bite. This child always cries in the morning. I have never seen an octopus. She comes late daily. Friends, take one example to explain what is the adverb of frequency. This child always cries in the morning. Here in this sentence, the adverb always, it shows how frequently, how often does the child cry in the morning. So always gives additional information about the verb cries. See number 5. The adverbs of degrees or quantity. The adverbs quiet, fully, partly, as, rather, to, altogether, very, sure, little, enough, much, almost, and so. These are few adverbs which show degrees or quantity. Let's see in detail. These type of adverbs express degrees of relation and answer the question how much. See some examples. First, you are quite wrong in this matter. They are fully prepared for the show. She is partly mistaken. Tom is as tall as Tony. Sony is too careless in studies. Take one example for the explanation. Sony is too careless in studies. Here, the adverb to indicates that how much careless is she in studies. यामध्ये to हे क्रियाविशेषण अधिक माहिती सांगते. Next, the adverbs of reason. Therefore, hence, because, as, so. These are some adverbs which show the reason in the sentence. These type of adverbs tell us the reason or purpose of the action and answer the question why. See some examples here. He therefore killed him. She is hence unable to live with me. I can't send him later because my illness. They felt nervous as they heard bad news. She got first prize, so she was happy. Friends, see one example. He therefore killed him. In this sentence, therefore, this adverb shows the reason. Why did he kill him? Let's go to learn another type of adverb. It is the adverb of affirmation. See some adverbs which show the affirmation in the sentence. Yes, surely, certainly, undoubtedly, definitely, absolutely. These are few adverbs which show the affirmation in the sentence. The adverb of affirmation is an adverb which confirms the action. Let's see some examples of it. Yes, he is there. Surely she will help me. Luckily, they went unpunished. Definitely, I will attend the meeting. Absolutely, Rohan was right. Take one example to define it. First, yes, he is there. Here, yes, this adverb shows the affirmation which confirms the action. Friends, येथे yes या क्रिया विशेषणावरून वाक्याचा सकारात्मक भाव व्यक्त होतो. The number 8, the adverbs of negation. No, never, nothing, nowhere, scarcely, hardly, rarely. These are some adverbs which show the negation in the sentence. Let's see in detail. Adverb of negation is an adverb which denies the action in the sentence. See some examples of it. First, they will never help you. I am not going to school today. She will scarcely do her homework. My children rarely talk to strangers. We can hardly win the lottery. Friends, see first example. They will never help you. In this example, never shows negation which denies the action in the sentence. या वाक्यामध्ये नेवर या क्रियाविशेषणावरून वाक्याचा नकारात्मक भाव व्यक्त होतो. The number 9, the adverbs of conjunction. Also, likewise, otherwise, indeed, still, thus. These are few adverbs which are used to connect the sentence or phrases. The adverbs of conjunctions are used to connect two clauses, phrases, or words. See some examples of it. First, it was raining, therefore I could not go out. Get up early, otherwise you will miss the bus. I left the house early, thus I reach there in time. He is innocent, also generous. She feels better, still stay at home. See first example. It was raining, therefore I could not go out. In this example, therefore, this adverb connects two different clauses. First, it was raining, and second clause is I couldn't go out. या उदाहरणामध्ये टुगेदर हे क्रियाविशेषण therefore हे क्रियाविशेषण दोन वेगवेगळ्या वाक्यांना जोडण्याचे कार्य करते. See another type of adverb. Number 10, the adverbs of interrogative. When, where, why, how many, how much. These are few interrogative adverbs which are used to ask the question. An interrogative adverb is used to ask a question as well as modifying some word. Let's see. First, when did they go? How do you think this? How many rupees do you want? How much water do you drink every day? Why are you so sorrowful? Where do you live? See the first example. When did they go? Here, when, this interrogative adverb shows the time, and see the rest of the examples. Now my friends, let's to learn the last type of the adverb. It is the adverbs of relative. When, where, why. These adverbs shows the relations. Relative adverbs are used to connect two sentences or clauses. Let's see some examples of relative adverbs. I know an open place where we can play. He remembers the town where he was born. We don't know the reason why he failed. They will go when they like. He knows everything why they have gone. See, friends, here, where, why, and when, these relative adverbs are used to connect to sentence or clauses. Okay, my friends, here I have tried to explain and to give the detailed information about the adverb. I think you like it, share it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, goodbye.